If you ever use the default noise node for projecting skies, domes, or temp environment maps or full frame textures, you already know the issue. The noise looks fine in the middle, but as soon as it wraps horizontally, you will get a sharp visible scream. That seam instantly breaks the realism, especially in lat-long or spherical projections. This happens because standard 2D noise does not understanding the wrapping, even if the geometry has a UV pass. The left edge and the right edge of the image have no relationship to each other. They are just different samples. So when the texture loops, the discontinuity becomes obvious. Now imagine using that noise for a sky replacement, atmospheric forces, or volumetric projections, or even a procedural textures driving other effects. The scene becomes impossible to hide. So instead of recreating the image as a flat rectangle, this BlinkScript treats the image as a sphere. Every pixel is converted from UV space into latitude and longitude. From there, we compute a 3D direction vector on a sphere. That direction is what we sample the noise with. Because we are sampling the noise in a 3D space on a sphere, the left edge and the right edge naturally meet. There's no jump, no seam. The noise wraps perfectly. That's the core idea behind this BlinkScript tool. Let me break it down in a simple terms. First, we normalize the pixel coordinates into UVs. Then, the UVs are converted into latitude and longitude. Longitude runs from the minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. Latitude runs from minus 2 pi over 2 to 2 plus pi over 2. From those angles, we generate the direction vector using sine and cosine. This gives us a point of a unit of sphere. That sphere direction becomes the input to a noise FBM function. Since the noise is sampled in a continuous 3D space, it is inherently seamless when projected back to a longitude image. On top of that, this script adds a full FBM stack. You will get octaves, longevity, gain, and time-based animation. There is also an extra high-frequency detail layer that adds richness without introducing seams. Color handling is also flexible too. You can run it as a single grayscale noise tinted by a color or decolorated RGB noise where each channel has its own variation without visible breakup. This Blink script also exposes the image width and height explicitly. This avoids relying on an internal resolution calls and keep the match stable, especially when used in different contexts or proxy modes. And finally, there is also option for saturation and gamma controls. It will let you shape the output directly, so the noise is usable as a final texture, not just as a utility pass. The result is simple but powerful. A fully procedural, animated, seamless free noise tool that will be perfect for skies, domes, spherical projections, volumetric looks, and any situation where the standard noise nodes fall apart. If you have ever fought a noise scenes in Nuke, this approach completely changed the game. As a next step, you can also plug this into a sky replacement, drive a atmospheric depth, or even use it as a base for a cloud. If you found this tool useful, like the video and subscribe. And let me know what procedural tool you want to build using the Blink script. The full script is available at topicroomvfx.com. The download link is in the description.